is my dad? Exercising. How many minutes are you exercising in a day, Father?
10 lang.
10 minutes?
Hindi na, 10 minutes, 10 point.
Father dearest, Father. Wow, look at my Father dearest. Hello, Father dearest. Anong ginagawa mo?
Painit.
Papainit, looking outside. Papa, anong kinakain mo, Papa?
Rice and
Rice and ano, Papa? Ano yung kinakain mo?
rice ng palaya.
Ampalaya, oh. Ayan na. May ampalaya ka na. May rice ka pa. Anong klaseng rice yan? Oh, siniservan pa ako ni Mother Dear. Oh, tingnan mo. Sarap. Kain na. Let's go eat. Wow. Wow. Kain na. Salamat, Mother Dear.